Assalamu alaikum bachcho. Today is 14th January. The day is Thursday and we are starting with our subject mathematics. The topic is addition and this is from unit 2. Unit 2. Yes beta ji, today the lecture number is 3. The topic is word problem. Word problem in addition. First of all, look children on the question and read it again and again, then you will understand how you will do it. Look, Adnan earns rupees 34,609 in the month of January. So first statement क्या बन जाएगी बच्चों कि अगर आप इसको पढ़ें तो ये स्टेटमेंट बड़ी क्लियर है कि अदनान earns in the month of January. Yes, what is the number? The number is 34,609 rupees. Now we read the remaining part of the question. Look, rupees 29,038 in the month of February. So our next statement is in the month of Adnan earns in the month of February. So what is the number? 29,038 rupees. Now we start once again, and rupees 40,100 in the month of March. The third statement is Adnan earns in the month of March. So what is the number? Go and look at this. The number is 40,100. The last statement is how much does he earn in these 3 months altogether? So what we will write here? Adnan earns in these 3 months. Yes, the first number is 34,609 plus 29,038 plus 40,100. यस बच्चों, जब आप इन सबको ऐड करोगे, रफ वर्क के लिए हमारे पास जगह नहीं है तो हम एक छोटा सा ब्लॉक रफ वर्क के लिए बना लेंगे. यस, द फर्स्ट नंबर इज़ 34,609. द सेकंड नंबर इज़ 29,038. द थर्ड नंबर इज़ 40,100. अब इन तीनों को हम जब ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर पहला आ जाएगा. 8 + 9 is 17. 1 is here. 3 + 1 4 is here. 6 + 1 7 is here. 9 + 4 13 is here and 1 is here. 3 + 1 4 4 4 8 and 2 10. So the answer is 10,000. Unit 10s 100,000. Unit 10s 100,000, 10,000 and it is million. So the answer is 1 million. Sorry, unit 10s 100,000, 10,000, 100,000. So the answer is 103,747 rupees.